get the oil change done on my 2001 Toyota Chaser 1GFE beams motor. Should be pretty straightforward. OEM, it had advanced auto parts, so this one should work. So let's get to it. Next, let's get this. First things first. These two. Filter's in a pretty tight space. The oil hasn't been changed on this since it was in Japan. But yeah, no, this thing has been super reliable. It's been amazing. Let's see if we can even get this shit loose. It's a tight spot, honestly.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Whew. So fucking slow, but it's twisting.
Move the other filter.
The fuck? Sorry, bro.
There. It doesn't need to be tighter than that.
Fuck this piece of shit. Oh my god, bro.